Hey everybody, this is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker ISIG or Insignia Systems Inc. I was looking at the larger time frame here, the daily, and you can see this thing has been beat down pretty badly for a while. RSI has been tracking lower, price has just been selling off. Really hasn't even made a test of the 21-day exponential moving average in a while. You can see on this insane rip that it did a good job rejecting that 21-day EMA several times here, but then on January 20th, it fell through. Hasn't been able to really even challenge it since. So to me, it kind of looks beat down pretty badly on this time frame, and like it needs to at least make a move back towards the 21-day EMA. You can see yesterday that we had a nice bullish engulf. A lot of stocks did. It was kind of some weird buying yesterday. Didn't really understand what all that buying was about, but yeah, so we had this crazy bullish engulf candle here. But I was looking at the 15-minute time frame, so going into a little bit of a shorter time frame, you do see this nice move here from about 750 up to 9. So that's a good $1.50 rip. So I'm kind of looking for this thing to retrace and maybe test around like 820 or so. Maybe hit about a 50% retracement or something and see if the buyers step in there, start to drive it back up, and maybe we can make a higher low, because you can see on this time frame it was just bleeding out. Challenged the 21-day EMA a few times but just couldn't get above it. So it's like finally this thing busts above the 21-day EMA with some nice strength, but at this point it could just be a one-day thing. I want to see this thing actually retrace a bit, maybe to the 50% level or maybe the 61.8, and then have the buyers step in and rally from there, so we can kind of see a higher low, because the way this thing was working down, it was just pretty much making lower highs, lower lows until yesterday. So now we've got a little bit of a breakthrough here to the upside, and we've at least broke above this level here. So instead of coming up and testing this level, selling off again, and then making another lower high, we were actually able to break up here. So I'd like to see a higher low. I'd like to see this thing retrace a little bit, and then buyers step in and rally it up. So we'll kind of see what happens, but that's the level I'm looking at, about 820. Depending on what it does there, I may look at that as a good short entry position. You can kind of see right here, I didn't even really pay attention to this, but that 820 level also is a previous lower high here in the downtrend. So yeah, that level is definitely key. If it falls below that, could be a bad sign. The buyers step in there and rally it up. Could be a good sign for the stock. Maybe this thing is finally ready to start going back into an uptrend. So I'll continue to keep you guys updated on ticker ISIG or Insignia Systems Inc. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.